Bioquell are pioneers in hydrogen peroxide vapor biotechnology and biodecontamination. Today we're global leaders in providing products and services to hospitals, pharmaceutical companies to keep patients safe and to keep the drug production facilities safe.
Bioquell and Insight have had a long relationship spanning nearly 15 years and a relationship built on trust meant that when they faced a new challenge they came to us to support in the solution.
The IT challenges that we faced when I first started here was that there was an ageing server estate. We also wanted to improve our disaster recovery and business continuity, also consolidate our licensing with Microsoft. We wanted a system that would allow us to virtualize our current systems, and part of that was to look at a hyper-converged system, as that would enable us to improve our network efficiency.
Before the Insight solutions, it was hard to get the hardware in to be able to roll out the applications we required, which then meant that timescales and projects were hard to deliver.
With the hyper-converged system in place, we have been able to roll out systems a lot more quickly, keep on top of updates to the underlying hardware, and we're also seeing benefits in terms of power and aircon usage within the server room.
How this helps us provide a better customer experience is our agility now is a lot better than it has ever been before. We can make very quick and fast changes to our systems to match not only the marketplace but our customer needs.
The Office 365 solution has benefited the business by initially allowing us to get on top of our Microsoft licensing and then looking to move to the Office 365 platform.
The benefits of our solution means that Bioquell can be faster in their market space, more agile, in a cost-effective solution and allow them to understand their clients' needs in a much better way.
The business is moving very fast, technology is moving fast, we have to keep pace with that, so transformation is absolutely key to continuing success.
A key part of our company values is customer centricity, and this really helps us focus on what our customers want and require from us now and in the future.